Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of functions in Python. Functions are like building blocks of your code. They allow you to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. In this tutorial, I will explain the syntax of defining and using functions in Python. So let's jump right in. Let's start by defining our own functions in Python. When you define a function, you're essentially creating a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. For defining a function, we just need to use the def keyword, followed by the name of our function, let's say greet, and then hit enter, type in the print function, make a string, let's say hello, and world, hello world. Let's try to run it. Click on run. You will not see anything on the terminal, even though we have the print function. So why is that? Because we have not yet called the function. That is the difference in defining a function and just simply printing it without one. And here's how you call a function in Python. Just type in the function name and put parentheses on it. So hit on enter. So keep this in mind. Just like I said, any code indented beneath the function will be part of the function's body. So if we type in greet here and then hit on run, the statement hello world will still not be printed in the terminal. However, if it is not indented, just hit on backspace and click on run again. And now that we called the function, we see hello world printed to the console. Functions can also take parameters, which are like placeholders for data that you pass into the function when you call it. Here's an example of a function that takes a parameter. Let's type in the def keyword and then a function with, let's say, greet with name, and then name, print it out using the print function, hello, and then comma, the variable name. In this function called greetWithName, we define a parameter called name, and when we call this function and pass in a name, it prints hello followed by the name we provided. Let's call the greetWithName function with a variable as the argument. So by calling it, just type in name, your variable, string, then John, then the function, the argument. Here we've defined the variable name with the value John, and then we call the greetWithName function with name as the argument. So as a result, let's try to print this. Hello John is printed in the console. And that is how you define a function in Python. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident about using functions in your Python project. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy coding!